In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens on Chrome. Google Lens is a powerful tool built right into your browser that lets you search using images instead of just text. It's especially useful if you're looking at a picture and want to know more about what's in it. Find similar items, translate text, or copy text from the image. I'll walk you through how to access it and how to make the most of its main features, step by step. First, make sure you're using the Chrome browser on your computer and that it's up to date. Google Lens is now integrated directly into Chrome, so you don't need to install any extra extensions or plugins. Just open Chrome like you normally would and go to any web page that has an image you're interested in. Once you see an image you want to explore, move your mouse over that image and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Search Image with Google or Search Image with Google Lens. Click that. Chrome will open a new panel or tab on the side or in a new page, depending on your setup, and that's where Google Lens will load. You'll notice that your image now appears on the left, with a highlighted selection area over part of it. On the right, you'll see results related to whatever is inside that selection. You can drag the corners of the selection box to include exactly what you want Google Lens to analyze. For example, if the photo shows several objects, you can adjust the box to focus on just one of them, like a specific pair of shoes or a landmark in the background. As you adjust the selection, the results will update automatically. You might see visually similar images, shopping results, or information about what's in the picture. If there is text in the image, look for options like Text, Translate, or Search. The text option lets you highlight words in the image and then copy them to your clipboard, which is really handy for things like notes, product names, or addresses. Translate will detect the language and show you a translated version right on top of the image. If you ever want to go back and refine your search, just change the size or position of the selection box and watch the results refresh. When you're done, close the Lens panel or tab and continue browsing normally. That's the basic workflow for using Google Lens in Chrome.